Today we have a fast wireless charger and we're going to go ahead and unbox and review it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have a LetsCom wireless charger. This is the super wireless charger. It is a 15 watt fast charger, sorry. And this features a lot of different specs. I'm going to be showing you what you get. So right here it is CHI certified. It has a 10 watt to 15 watt fast charging mode, and it has a protection of overcharging your device, which is very good. So we're going to go ahead and open this. So we have a Type-C cable. So basically it charges just as fast as normal wall plug fast chargers, which is very cool because you're basically not losing anything. So this is the device. Has a nice rubber circle right here and some rubber feet to keep it from sliding. You have some vents here for circulation and the specs on the back. Alright, so right here we have the cable. We're going to go ahead and take this out real quick and we're going to show you what it looks like when it's plugged in. We're going to compare it to another product as well. So this is a pretty lengthy cable. It's about 4 feet probably. So we're going to plug this in, and then we're going to test the charging capabilities later. So here it is. You have an orange indicator light. It's very thin. That's very nice. So you could just place it, put your phone there, boom, charge. Right here we have a 1-year warranty, as well as a 24/7 support, and this shows you where to contact them. So yeah, and then we also have a user manual, which is in a few different languages. And it says avoid dropping, do not disassemble, do not expose to liquids for the fastest and safest charging, use only original or certified cables. So right here we have another wireless charger. We're going to be comparing it to this one. This one claims to be fast wireless charging, but it's not. It charges really slow. It's meant for like overnight charging. So we're going to quickly grab this. I did a review of this a few months ago, maybe a year, but here it is. Fast charge. So it has a non-working vent, which that's not very good. It has a on and off switch, which also doesn't even do anything because the fan doesn't even work. But you plug it in and it's micro USB, which sucks because this one right here is Type-C, so which is way better. Right here it turned, oh, it's actually red, but it appears orange on camera. Yeah, so this one isn't really good. It has a green and blue indication light right there. The only thing you probably would want one of these for is to show off your device, like it's standing up, if you want to use it as a clock. But if you don't, I recommend this. Really, really good product right here. We're going to test out the charging capabilities right now. So I will see you guys right now. Alright, I'll make another video of me charging a device, and I'll make like a time lapse of the device charging from 0 to 100 with this device in another video. But right now I can't do it. I'm a little bit too busy. I have an iPhone X only. It's not really mine, but I'm gonna do that later. But it's mainly because the phone is never really home, so I can't really put on there. But once it is home, I'll make a video of it time-lapse charging, and I'll show you from 0 to 100. So thank you for watching, guys.